Hello everybody, a blessed Sunday. Getting ready for church here. Medyo iba ang aming worship service today dahil we will have a joint fellowship with other churches. Okay, see you later. After the worship service today, we decided to go home. Usually, kumakain kami sa labas after church. Pero today, minabuti naming umuwi na lang. After church food, we have spring roll. Alam nyo kung saan galing yan? Sa leftover meatloaf ni Daddy Chef. So, we wrapped it sa rice paper. Yan. Kinote natin siya ng egg and breadcrumbs. Yan ang breadcrumbs. Okay, and then, of course, pinalito natin. Low heat lang yan. Okay, para hindi siya puputok. Okay, yan na. Alright, kanina na, ano na natin ito na flip. Listen. Alright, wow. Excited na. Crispy and crunchy spring roll from the meatloaf leftover. So, pakinggan natin kung crunchy siya. Makapasa sa crunchiness test. Okay, listen carefully. Whoa! Yan. At ilipat na natin dito. Mag-plating na tayo sa lunch ng ating dalaga. Yan. So, we usually eat outside pag after church. Pero today, inabuti natin uwi na. At saka meron naman tayong food sa bahay. Thank you, Lord. Lagyan pa natin ng parmesan. Ano yun? Parmesan. Ayan. Wow, wow, wow. Have a fruitful week ahead of you, everybody. Ingat lagi and God bless.